Good morning.
Morning. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you here for the 10 o'clock or 12?
I was supposed to be here for Friday, but we got rained on.
Got you. You all set? We'll take a map?
I'll take one, but I sort of know this by heart.
You know from the back of your hand, right?
And excuse me?
You know from the back of your hand, right?
Trust me, I do indeed. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
And this is the way we open up
Old
in a
Bethpage.
COVID.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. Would you be so kind as to give me a little tour of an explanation of the house?
Yeah, are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So this is a Conklin house. It was originally built in the early 1830s, but it's restored to how it looks in 1853. When it was the home of Paul Conklin, Thankful Conklin, and their one-year-old daughter, Sarah. Mr. Conklin was a bayman, which means he hunted and fished things that lived in along the bay. So the back room in the house you're going to see is his workspace. So this duck decoys, a couple other traps for lobsters and clamming and stuff like that. Prior to living here, he was a stagecoach driver. He drove from Greenpoint, Brooklyn to Greenport, Long Island, which was a 2-day journey, so he'd stay over at an inn in Smithtown, which is where he met his wife, and then they bought this house. If you want to take a look inside, the first room
please.
on the right will be
Yeah.
their living room space.
Thank you.
The second room is the kitchen, and then the back room is the workspace.
Tell me a little bit about the original masks. Were they made by the village? Were they each made their own? Curiosity.
Masks?
Yeah.
We're given issued masks by Nassau County, but a lot of us have made our own masks that are more period fabrics than the surgical masks, the white masks we were given.
Ah, thanks very much.
What is that?
How's it?
Yeah.
How's it
It's
been?
good. Everyone's been really great about the masks and everything, and all the regulations we put in place. So everyone's been really safe. We're really happy to do that.
How was Saturday's attendance?
More than expected.
Oh, excellent.
And everyone was here really enthusiastic and really.
Were they doing individual tours, or actually a group, any kind of group tour they could
No
walk
group
through?
tours right now, just individual.
Just
groups,
individuals.
like families and stuff. And we break them up too. So if there's 2 groups that come here, we do individual tours.
Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate it.